Okay. Ready? Camera still rolls and action.
Well, I guess it's titled in acting for the camera class, but sort of based on the level that the students are coming in at. So this is as equally here are some small techniques that are important to be able to act for the camera, as well as here's what it's like to work professionally on set.
My favorite part is the actual acting in front of the camera. I think I love this class so much because you actually get to have the experience, and that's with this kind of classes, it's really the only way you can learn.
For acting, I know that it's very different from a rehearsal space for theater, so I'm hoping to develop a few of those skills so that whenever I go out into the working world, I'll be able to hold myself up with everybody else.
The way it's set up now is that we will spend one entire day shooting a scene, and then I will take the time during the week to edit that scene together so they can kind of see a finished product of what this little 2 or 3 page scene looks like. And then we'll sit the next class, the next time we meet, we'll watch and we'll critique. And so we sort of learn by doing and critiquing, and then the next time we do it again, we'll try, okay, well this time your eyeline was a little off on that last scene, so let's try to focus on your eyeline. Your memorization wasn't as solid as it could have been. Let's try to focus on that. And we'll just try to find 1 or 2 things to sort of improve on every week.
It's like I'm still trying to figure out if acting is what I want to do professionally. So I'm really enjoying getting the stage experience, but also getting this experience acting on camera. It's so different, and it's like, oh, well, maybe if stage acting isn't what I'm feeling 100%, maybe acting for the camera is, and so far I'm like enjoying that a lot.
Acting for camera really is about presenting who you are in the role, not who you are as the role. So if I can get them comfortable with who they are, then the camera is second nature.